Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. This is a mock test question for class 10. Sometimes the people miss out the keywords. You have to write the keywords in order to give the proper answer to such questions, because a lengthy answer doesn't carry any mark. Remember, if you make the answer lengthy, the correction will be difficult for the examiners, because those corrections are based only on keywords. Name the following: the first stable intermediate product of Kelvin cycle. You can write PGA or write the full thing, phosphoglyceric acid. Absorption of materials from nephric filtrate into peritubular capillaries is selective reabsorption. Layers of blood vessels made up of elastic membrane and endothelium is called tunica interna. Appearance of male secondary characters in females like mustache, beard, etc., that is called virilism. The part of the brain that covers medulla oblongata only is the cerebellum. Now this is a figure of nephron given to you. You have to label 1 to 6. 1 is afferent arteriole. 2 is Bowman's capsule, this cup-shaped structure. 3 is glomerulus, this network of capillaries. 4 is proximal convoluted tubule. 5 is distal convoluted tubule here. And 6 is loop of Henle. Now where does maximum selective reabsorption take place? This is PCT, this part. What do the small arrows indicate? Small arrows means this one and this one. It indicates movement of blood in the afferent and deferent arterioles. What does the thick arrow indicate? Thick arrow means this one. This indicates ultrafiltration taking place. Come to the next question. This is a figure of kidney. You have to study the figure. Label 1 to 4. 1 is adrenal cortex, 2 is adrenal medulla, 3 is kidney, and 4 is a tube-like structure called ureter. What are the types of hormones produced by 1? 1 means adrenal cortex. They produce glucocorticoids, mineralocorticoids, and sex steroids. 2 deficiency diseases resulting from hyposecretion of 1 means adrenal cortex. It results into Addison's disease and hypoglycemia. Why is 2 called emergency gland? 2 means adrenal medulla. It is called emergency gland because the hormone epinephrine produced by it helps to cope up with the emergency situations like anger, fear, nervousness, anxiety, etc. These are emergency situations. Draw and label a reflex arc. Then drawing and labeling is known to you, so I am not drawing over here. The 2 types of spinal reflexes are conditioned reflex and unconditioned reflex. Now give 4 differences between arteries and veins. Number 1 is arteries takes the blood away from the heart and veins carry the blood to the heart. Arteries have thicker tunica media, veins have comparatively thinner tunica media. Arteries do not have valves, veins have valves. In arteries, blood flows with jerk, and in veins, there are no jerky blood flow. So, we come to the next part of the question. Here. Now this figure, this is a absorption by the root. Now this one is epiblema, 2 is root hair cell, 3 is cortical cells or cortex cells, and 4 is xylem. What do these arrows indicate? These arrows, these small arrows, this one, they indicate the movement of water in the cells. What is the role played by 4? 4 means xylem. The xylem helps in ascent of sap. What is the process by which water passes through the cells of 3? Means here, how do the water pass from one cell to another? By alternate turgidity and flaccidity of the cells. Now here the middle ear and the inner ear is given in schematic diagram. You have to label, name the chambers A, B, C. These are the 3 chambers A, B and C. A is scala vestibuli, B is scala media, and C is scala tympani. What are 1, 2, 3 and 4? 1 is tympanum, 2 is oval window, 3 is round window, and 4 is eustachian tube. What is the function of 4 means eustachian tube? It connects the ear with the throat. What are X, Y, Z? These are the three ossicles. X is malleus, Y is incus, and Z is steps. What is their common function? All these three, they amplify and propagate the sound waves. And what are the nerves shown here? The nerves are auditory nerves that are connected to the temporal lobe of the brain. What is the significance of part W? W means here, this one. This is organ of Corti. It is the most sound sensitive part of the ear. So with this we end up over here. Thank you once again. Please subscribe the channel.